Hello, this is a video from manufacturer number 75755. This is by Streamlight. This is a Stinger LED HP fast charge steady DH flashlight. I'm going to take this out here for you so you can get a better look. This here would be information about the different products on the line, your different flashlights, what batteries go with them, and if you open it up and take a good look, it's got pictures of all the different flashlights. This here would be your operating instructions. You open it up and it'll tell you step by step on how to do everything. This will be your screws. Here you have your charger. This should be your Stinger fast charger NM. Here's your on and off button.